17 years, 9 months. Right? This victim was missing for 1 year and 4 months. I have filed habeas corpus. Right? After recovery, victim told the investigating officer that she is pregnant. But the investigating officer never take that into consideration. But my lord, before that, I want to bring certain facts.
What is the age of the victim?
My lord, 17 years.
17.
17 years, 9 months. Right? This victim was missing for 1 year and 4 months. I have filed habeas corpus. Right? After recovery, victim told the investigating officer that she is pregnant. But the investigating officer never take that into consideration. Against that, she forced the victim to depose before the magistrate that nothing has happened. She was in her aunt's house for last 1 year and 4 months. Accordingly, she has deposed that. Thereafter, CWC taken her into custody. They have released now petitioner with her mother. After coming to her mother, she stated all these things. My lord, thereafter, first day I have filed this application before your lordship for termination of pregnancy.
Is any criminal case pending?
Yes, my lord. Criminal case is pending.
Case has been registered.
After filing this application, after serving them, they have added section 4. But my lord, in such circumstances, if the investigation remains with the same police officer, but it will be grave injustice. Second, my lord, today, after getting this application, they have fixed date for 164. And they have
No,
mentioned
all these criminal matters in a different forum.
that I
Issue
understand.
over here is only termination of pregnancy.
Lordship, that I understand, but my lord, if fetus is to be collected,
The
fetus is to be collected, they want the custody to the CWC or so that say they can do anything to this fetus. This is my humble submission, my lord. Now I'm leave it to your lordship. This is my lord, my report, pregnancy report, 10 weeks and 3 days.
why did you let it go up till 10 weeks?
I was in I was missing. I was recovered. Thereafter, after recovery, they took me in CWC. After release, I told my mother that I have told
In
everybody.
the CWC, when you were there, it could not be ascertained.
This is the problem. This is what my lord, the crux is. What is happening? I told investigating officer CWC, but this is happened. Nothing. They have not done any medical. But before that, I have gave 2 complaint.
No pleadings is there, no document has been annexed. What he has submitted, his prayer is something else and he is arguing something before his lordship.
My lord, I have
I am full
affirmed
sympathy
yesterday.
with this petitioner.
I am
but the
affirmed
pleadings,
yesterday the matter for police in action. My lord, kindly cease from there also.
No, I will not see. Police in action is a different thing.
Yes.
My lord,
But then 17 years victim.
I have full sympathy, my lord. I have full sympathy, my lord. If lordship pass any order with regard to his prayer, see, my lord, we will definitely, my lord, comply that, my lord.
Prayer C.
Nothing, my lord. Kindly see the prayer, see, my lord.
Then let prayer C be considered at this stage because
Lordship.
it should not be proper to delay it even for a single
My
day.
lord, my lord, my lord. That's what I have seen that entire things, my lord.
but
Lord, I am also very sympathetic with regard to
custody
this
of the
aspect
victim remains with the mother for the time being, my lord. Kindly. At least till my lord, fetus is preserved.
Acha, the writ petition is at the instance of
also. ইয়েতে একবার যা মাঠে 13 বেরোছে 12 চলছিল
the victim is 17 years.
70
She is a minor. Who has filed the writ petition? Mother has filed. Acha. And the victim is at the instance of the mother. No, the writ petition is at the instance of the mother of a minor female child. Stop. The no, stop now. Female child who was a victim of a sexual assault. Stop. The
pleadings.
victim girl was recovered. Now, the victim girl is alleged to have gone missing on and from 15th April 2024 and was recovered on 5th June 25 and handed over to the Children Home for Girls, Nodia. And handed over to a children's home. Stop. আর কিছু লিখবেন না ঠিক আছে On 14th June 2025, the minor girl was handed over to the petitioner. Stop. It was then detected that the young girl was impregnated. Stop. The petitioner prays for termination of pregnancy. Stop. Paragraph. The Where is the police case? Where are the details?
Nothing, my lord. Only things is there, my lord, in paragraph 3, my lord.
Paragraph 3, I see.
Puringata
Yes,
police
that
station
is
case
only
number.
nothing.
Se-
That's what I'm saying, my lord.
Nothing of what?
Police document, nothing has
Sketchy.
been
I
annexed.
am
No
giving
pleading.
FIR, my lord. I am giving FIR. In hurry, my lord, I had to do that within, my lord, 1 hour.
But then minimum details should be there.
Puringata police station case number
देखिए
212 of 24.
Dated 23/4/2024. In paragraph 3, my lord, that has been mentioned.
An FIR was registered
Didich.
before the police station on 23rd April 2024. And the investigation is alleged to be pending. Stop. Paragraph. At this stage, the court is concerned only with the health of the minor child. Stop. As the pregnancy is the act of an heinous action on the part of the perpetrators, the court thinks it fit to issue direction in terms of prayer C of the writ petition.
And not
Stop.
only prayer, she, my lord, fetus has to be preserved, my lord.
Have you made the
Yes,
prayer?
yes, yes. Prayer E.
Prayer E. Preserve the fetus. Spelling of fetus is wrong. And collect blood samples. Stop. Prayer C and E of the writ petition. Stop. Paragraph. Where? Give.
State hospital.
State hospital. Where does this
I believe in it is
Nodia?
Nodia.
Right, I deputy superintendent.
The concerned investigating officer is directed to get in touch with the State General Hospital of the district
Lord.
for constitution of a medical board for checking up the petitioner, and if there is no difficulty or impossibility, and if there is no medical issue with regard to termination of the pregnancy, then the medical board shall proceed to terminate the pregnancy of the minor child
Lord.
and thereafter preserve the fetus and collect the blood samples for DNA testing. Stop. The matter is made returnable